Today, their rival camps led by Nograles Al-Ag and Mags Maglana are holding their events. We have Jairo Boledo live from Davao.
Thank you, Michelle. Nandito tayo ngayon sa malapit sa area ng airport kung saan ginaganap at napili ng Nograles at Al-Ag camps na i-held ang kanilang meeting de avance para i-cap off ang kanilang kampanya dito sa Davao City. Itong Davao City race ay masikip at mahigpit para sa mga Dutertes dahil yung kanila mga dating kaalyado ay kinakalaban na nila ngayon para dito sa mga local posts sa Davao City. For example, for the mayoral race, Carlo Nograles is facing his former principal, Duterte. For the vice mayoral race, kinakalaban ng dating vice mayor na si Bernard Al-Ag, si Sebastian Duterte. And even in the congressional district races, masikip din for the Dutertes. In the first district, Migs Nograles is seeking a return doon sa kanilang dating posisyon na hinahawakan ng mga Nograles at kinakalaban niya para doon sa first congressional race, si Pulong Duterte. For the second district, kinakalaban naman ni Javi Garcia Campos mula sa dinastiya ng mga Garcia, si Omar Duterte, ang panganay na anak ni Pulong Duterte para sa pagkakongresista. At para naman doon sa ikatlong distrito ay kinakalaban ng kapatid ni Bernie Al-Ag na si Nonoy Al-Ag at ni Ruy Lopez, si Isidro Ungab na re-electionist at kaalyado din ng mga Duterte. We need Davao politics is important on a national scale kasi dito natin makikita if Davao City will elect Mayor Duterte once more for the 8th time dahil Duterte has held the post for at least 7 times in 1988 to 1998, 2001 to 2010, and then 2013 to 2016. And for this year, Duterte is seeking his comeback and tinedeny at try niya na i-deny si Carlo Nograles na i-reclaim o claim ang mayoral post, this time for the Nograleses. Kahapon ginanap nga na hugpong sa Tawong Lungsod ang kanilang meeting de avance in attendance karamihan sa Duterte family except for Vice President Sara Duterte na nasa ibang mga political activities. Si Pulong Duterte is still in overseas at ang present lang doon ay si Baste at si Kitty Duterte. Interesting yung messaging, Michelle, ng Duterte family dahil from the usual nila na parang mas maisog in Bisaya word, yung kanilang brave, yung kanilang straightforward na messaging. Kahapon napili nila na i-attack yung ayuda culture dito sa Davao City dahil kiniklaim nila that their rivals, specifically the Nograles Al-Ag campaigns, are using itong mga ayuda para bumili daw allegedly ng mga boto. Kaya paulit-ulit, at least 5 of the candidates na nagsalita kahapon sa meeting de avance ng hugpong sa Tawong Lungsod ay inaatake at sinasabi nila that the Baweños won't sell their votes in exchange of ayudas, in exchange of kwarta o money mula doon sa kanilang political rivals. This is different from their usual campaigning na Duterte brand. So parang medyo defense mode sila on that aspect, and we need to look at the bigger picture because they no longer have the machinery that they had in 2019 and 2022 elections. And today, a day after them, ito namang kanilang political rivals ang nagsiset ng meeting de avance. As of the moment, Michelle, hindi pa nagsa-start yung meeting de avance. It was supposed to start at 4 p.m. But as usual in political events, hindi naman nasusunod yung call time. Pero nakita na natin kanina in attendance na, itong si Javi Garcia Campos na tumatakbo nga sa pagka-2nd District Congressman ng Davao City. Michelle?